The world's largest glove manufacturer has made a killing out of COVID. In response to surging global demand for PPE, Top Glove began a 24/7 operation, producing 166 million gloves a day, and hailed its 21,000 workers as the heroes of a pandemic-stricken world.
Top Glove. We have been saving and protecting lives all over the globe.
But in June, a Channel 4 News investigation exposed the dark side of this operation, involving the exploitation of migrant workers from poorer countries in the region, forced to work excessive overtime and paid £1.08 an hour. We revealed conditions in squalid company hostels, workers crammed into bunks up to 30 to a room, in what we described as COVID-friendly clusters.
अनि हाम्रो सधैँ जसो एक अर्कासँग भेट भइरहेको हुन्छ। हामीलाई एउटै होस्टेलमा बस्छौं, त्यही भएर कोरोना भाइरस एक अर्का बीच सर्ने दर चाहिँ निकै नै बढेको छ।
A COVID cluster crisis has now completely crippled Top Glove, with more than 4,000 infections now recorded in its sprawling manufacturing hub southwest of Kuala Lumpur. The company's already been forced to close 20 of its 28 factories in a desperate bid to contain the outbreak. Thousands of workers have been placed under a strict government-imposed lockdown, but the footage we've obtained shows many are now incarcerated in the same grim conditions we'd highlighted, stacked in bunks, living cheek by jowl. Rubbish piling up outside next to mouldering washing areas. Thousands have been screened for the virus, no social distancing involved, and those infected have been moved to hospitals in the area. These pictures show how workers in one of these facilities have to queue for food. The warning signs that this could happen had been obvious for months. On Tuesday, a Malaysian government minister visited some of the hostels, describing conditions there as deplorable, pledging a full investigation with a report due within a week. The British government, meanwhile, has failed to take any sanctions against Top Glove, with the company continuing to fulfil orders for at least one NHS supplier and other UK companies. Top Glove's CEO has denied conditions are crowded and unsanitary and said the company spent £3 million upgrading housing. Following our report, Top Glove also spent £9 million reimbursing recruitment fees workers had paid to agents. But after months of surging profits, Top Glove's share price has taken a nosedive. Global orders for vital PPE will now be delayed by weeks as the workers at the sharp end of the fight against this pandemic struggle with their own health crisis.
Jonathan Miller reporting. Well, now, we did, of course, put the allegations in his report to the Department for Health, who told us they take all allegations of modern slavery very seriously, and that all suppliers must follow the highest legal and ethical standards.